Tied to the jet ski. See it? No, 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 no. Lift it. Take it around. There you go. Nope, all the way, all the way. There you go. Oh, right behind you. Right behind you, right behind you.
Excuse me, sir, you're awfully close.
You see? That's why I can't let you drive. Be bumping into people. Oh, wait. Let me see.
That is so cute.
We named him after the song, Mr. Bojangles.
Bojangle. He's a puppy. That's a puppy there, right?
He is.
Yeah.
2-year-old.
That's my dog when he was like that.
So funky. I took him yesterday or the day before to go park at Tyler where we live. And we came up on the playground there.
Last time we had the rock, people had some rocks stacked up. That was cool. There's a big tree, see that right in the middle? You walk over there, huge ass tree, right in the middle. See?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's like condescension.
Is that crazy?
This is cool. This is definitely cool.
There's another one in Swanee like this too.
Oh, I've never seen that one.
Right there, I'll show you one. All right. One more.
Branford, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last time I had a little
Are you still on full? Your gas? I'm on half.
No way.
Yeah. No, because I see it right here.
That'll be personal.
Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Real waterfall. You get pictures of the tree? Cool. I think we're done here.
I can't wait to see you.
I know.
I want to get a vest for our dog and bring him out on the water.
Yeah, with a shark fin. It has a shark fin.
I thought this was going to be more like the Swanee where they're with their people.
No,
so
Swanee's nice, but it's so big.
And it's really dark and I would not take my dog on.
Yeah, but there's springs every mile too over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a lot of
It
springs.
just makes me nervous with him if it's too dark because I don't want
It's a little
to.
deeper.
Oh, yeah. Well,
But here is nice.
any specific particular thing that you would say to make sure we go see?
Blue Spring.
Oh, that's where, I think that's where we're gonna get out.
Blue Spring is
Springs,
4th.
dog,
Dogwood, where's that at?
It's like, it's right after Ginny Spring, so it's like...
There's two big springs on the left. You'll see it.
Wow.
Because we can't go in Jenny with him.
There's no marker.